guys, so for today's video I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial on this look right here. This is a very natural glam look. It's not too intense, you know, it's nothing too much, but this is a Valentine's Day makeup look, so we're looking for something pretty easy to achieve. I got you covered. For like the makeup portion of applying my makeup, I just wore a cute little Minnie Mouse pink robe, you know, because I just didn't feel like getting dressed yet, because I literally I didn't want to wear clothes. I always have the hardest time figuring out what to wear in my videos, like what goes good with my makeup or just what looks good in general. If it's not a makeup tutorial, I don't really care too much, but I just always have a hard time figuring out what looks good with my makeup, and I just threw it off with this yellow shirt. It says Venice on it. Let me get up with this makeup look because it's yellow. I mean, I don't know, does yellow go with pink? I was gonna wear something pink, but then I was like, I don't know, maybe that's too much pink. This outfit's like really casual. I don't know, you can be all glammed up for Valentine's Day, but yeah, I honestly haven't done a makeup tutorial in such a long time, so I thought I should do one today. And yeah, so hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up if you do like it, and also don't forget to subscribe freely because I have so many videos that I'm going to film. I say that in like every single video, I'm like, I have all these videos I'm going to film. But seriously, I have so many ideas and I do a lot of different types of videos on my channel. Rambling way too much, so let's just go ahead and get right on to the video. So I'm going to start with the Colourpop Element of Surprise palette, and I'm going to pick up this kind of a light brownish color, and I'm just going to be applying this into the crease to use as my transition shade with a Morphe Y16 brush. And now I'm going in with this little bit more of like a darker brownish mauve color. It's more like a mauve. And I'm just applying this into my outer V and kind of blending it into the crease just to kind of start to darken up the look a little bit. And now I'm hopping into the, that was weird. I'm hopping into the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm going with that really pretty shimmery pink shade. It's a really light shade. It's more like a whitish pink, and I'm just applying that more to the inner part of my eyelid. And now I'm going to be going in with this darker shimmery pink, and I'm applying that right next to the lighter pink. So I don't really know how to explain it. I don't know, but I'm just applying it kind of like right next to it on my lid, you know, to create a little bit of a effect, I guess. Is it a halo effect? I don't know. Whatever the heck it is. And now I'm going back in with that darker mauve, and I'm just applying that into the outer V to make it even more pink. And then I went in with the It Cosmetics Superhero Mascara, and I actually really like this mascara because it gives lots of length to your lashes. Like, it just makes my lashes really long, and I'm kind of like obsessed with this mascara. Like, I'm low-key probably going to buy the full size of it because I've really been into this. And now I'm going to go in with the NYX Angel Veil Face Primer, and I'm just going to massage this into my skin to prime. So now I'm going in with the Neautrogena Hydro Boost Hydrating Tint, and I'm just going to be applying this all over my skin and then blending it out with my beauty sponge. And this gives you very minimal coverage, so if you don't really need a lot of coverage, this would be the product for you. I personally like my skin to look more natural, so I don't really wear foundation like all the time, mainly just something really light. And now I'm going in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer, and I'm just going to be applying this underneath my eyes and a little bit on my nose. And I do like this concealer. You know, it's not bad. As you can tell, like in this clip right here, I was having a little bit of trouble blending it out. It's a little hard to blend out, but besides that, it's not a bad concealer. It gives me quite a bit of coverage, and I'm just using that same Real Techniques beauty sponge to blend it out. And now I'm going in with the Laura Mercier Translucent Powder, and I'm just going to be setting my concealer. Going back in with the Element of Surprise palette, I'm going to be picking up the shade that I first used in my transition and just applying that on my lower lash line to add a little bit of something. I normally don't like to have my lower lash line be like really intense, just a little bit of something, you know, just, I don't know. I feel like you have to put at least something on your lower lash line. And I did put on mascara, but I just didn't record that, I guess. Then I went in with the Wet n Wild contouring stick in the shade Oaks on You. And as you can tell, I am not the best at cream contouring. It always looks really sloppy and all over the place. So I'm probably not really going to be cream contouring much more, but I just blended it out with that sponge. And I don't know, I just wanted my contour to be a little darker and a little sharper that day. And, you know, it's Valentine's Day, so why not have some nice cream contour going on. But then I just went in with the e.l.f. Contour Palette, and I mixed those two bottom shades just to set the cream contour because I didn't want it to be looking, you know, too harsh or anything like that. And also, you want to make sure it lasts. And it's always important to set things. Then I went in with the Tarte Amazonian Clay Blush, and this is in the shade Prim, and I just applied this to my cheeks. I have really been obsessing over this blush lately. It's a really pretty, like, everyday blush. It's kind of like a peachy pink. I don't know, I really like this, and I used my Morphe M530 brush, which is my favorite blush brush, and then I went in with the Essence Pure Nude Highlighter and just applied this to the high points of my cheeks. This is probably my, well, actually, the Colourpop Flexitarian highlighter is probably my favorite drugstore highlighter. This was my favorite highlighter for a long time, until I discovered that one, but I really do love this one and I highly recommend it. And then I just went in with some MAC Fix Plus to set my makeup and make sure that it would last, because, you know, you want to last it all day and all night. And now I'm going in with the Flower Beauty. This is the Petal Pout Lip Liner. I'm not 100% sure on the name, but I will have it in the description box. And I just use that to line my lips. And then I went in with the Flower Beauty lipstick. Again, I'm not 100% sure on the name, but I will have it in the description box. And I really like this lipstick. It's super hydrating, and it's just a really nice everyday pink. And that is it for this video. I really do hope that you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye! Mwah.